It's unboxing time. Oh yeah. Let's do it. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute little speaker. Nice. It's my birthday present to myself from Aguilar. Happy birthday to me. What a cute little speaker. I love it. I am going to paint this to match my other hand-painted 210, which looks like this. And that also glows in the dark. This will glow in the dark. This will fluoresce in black light. I am so stoked. I am so stoked. I am so freaking stoked. This is great. Let's hook it up and see what it sounds like. My gosh, it sounds so good. This is perfect for low volume gigs, small venues. There's no tweeter, so that treble is just coming from the bass. Man, it's so great. This is the pre-Korg acquisition Tone Hammer 350. When I get this painted to match my other cabinet, I will make a video with that 210 and this 110 going out my Tone Hammer 500 to see what a 310 pyramid sounds like. I think it'll be cool, and it'll look super cool once this is all done with the artwork. So anyway, yeah, super stoked to have this. I got it with the intent of using it when I'm playing upright bass for low volume gigs where you just need a little more than the acoustic bass sound. I run into that. And sometimes the 210 is just a little too much, both with hauling it around with that upright and volume-wise, it's more than I need. But now I'm the proud owner of an SL110, and I officially own every configuration of the SL series. I'm sure you're familiar with the purple wall of awesomeness. So yeah, Aguilar, thanks so much to Aguilar, Dale Titus, of course, my contact, and everybody that worked on this cab. I've been an Aguilar artist for 15 years and change now, and it's been a wonderful relationship. So if you're looking for a good cab that's small, highly recommend. All right, see you on the next one.